There is literally no food in the house. And I've walked up and down the steps to look for food like 6 times. So I'm resorting to a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on hot dog buns. But I hate bread, so this is gonna be exciting. Also, my stomach hates bread, so I'm probably gonna be sick after this. But I am hungry, because I think I ate once today, maybe? Yeah, I ate once today. So I am starving. So, my neighbors are weird. They've always been weird. But just recently, I woke up this morning and I didn't record it. I don't know if they're still out there. But they... No, they're not getting it. They're burying the dead bodies. There's a bunch of them out there. There's like 5 people out there and they're burying the dead bodies. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, guys. I live right next to them, so they might come after me next. It's so nice out. But what do? I sit in my house and watch YouTube and play video games. I keep texting. Well, Jackie's at work until 9 p.m., so there's no point. Patty works midnight, so she's sleeping. So I texted Amber, and the baby just went to sleep, so can't do that. And then I don't have any other friends because Amanda's working until 5. And she's probably not going to want to do anything after she gets off of work. So I literally am just sitting at home. The dog's just lazing about. And I'm watching YouTube. I'm thinking I'm trying to open the windows because it's nice out. I'm thinking about going somewhere, but where am I going to go alone? And then I was thinking well, I could take the dog with me, right? But my dog's a bitch and will eat anybody else's dog's face off. So I can take Bo with me, but I'm not allowed to take Bo unless I ask my sister about it. And I'll feel bad if I take Bo and not my dog. Can't win. So I'm just sitting at home, debating on what I should do. I am not winning. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this phone up and it's not working. Now my dog's just staring out the window. Because my dog eats any other dog's face off if she sees another dog. And I can't take Bo unless I ask my sister. But I can't take Bo and not take Angel because Angel's my dog and Bo's my sister's dog, so I'll feel bad. And I can't take Angel without Bo because then I'll feel bad for Bo. But I also can't take Angel anywhere because she's a bitch. So what do? And I want to go somewhere, but I hate going places alone because it's boring and I'll just sit there and stare at nothing. I was thinking about, okay, well, what if I went to the beach in Cortland, right? But I'm literally just going to sit in my car and stare at the water. I'm not going to get in it. It's too cold. Am I going to sit on the beach by myself, alone? No, that's weird. Why do I have to live in Ohio that has nothing? We literally have beaches, Walmart, and gas stations. I can't go out to eat because I have $20 to my name and I just got paid today. This is what my whole summer's gonna be like? Yep, this is what my whole summer was like from 16 on. Yep. The whole day I'm debating I should probably go outside. It's nice outside, but then there's nothing to do in Ohio, so what am I supposed to go and do? And Angel's staring out the window like I abuse her and don't let her go outside. Angel, you wanna go outside? Oh, you turn around so fast. I gotta put pants on. Why do you love this window so much? There. He loves this window so much. He's always in this window. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Ooh. God bless you. Isn't he so cute? I literally, my volleyball's not in there. Where's my volleyball? Where's my volleyball? I think it's downstairs. I literally just got dressed. Like literally, like I wasn't wearing pants before, but now I am. And I put on a new shirt, and I put on a bra, and everything. Get out of my vagina. And I wasn't before, just a little outside with my animals. But I don't know where my volleyball is, because I figured I will let the dogs out to run. But I'm gonna play with the volleyball. But I don't know where my volleyball is. Hold on, Bo. Oh, Bo, you can go out. Angel, you may not. Found it! He's on his own foot and I don't understand. Ow! Maybe volleyball wasn't the best idea. But look at my baby. Bo! I don't know where he went. Over there. Bo! Where'd you go? Where'd you go, fucker? Where'd he go? Is he out in the field somewhere? There he is. Out in the field, just like I said. Little shithead. Why you gotta be like this? Huh? Why you gotta not listen? Whoa. No, you can't come up here. And he's just like, I wanna play! Come play with me, Bo. Like, on a swing. Just relaxing. It's like 80 degrees out. So it's like really warm. I gotta fix my ponytail. Look at those two fuckers. Trying to go higher on the swing and it's not working. Someone's here. Bye, doggies. Andrew was just staring at herself in the door.